Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to the Limpier Cleaning Services channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's often overlooked but essential for any home renovation project: carpet removal cost. If you're considering updating your floors and saying goodbye to old carpets, you're in the right place. Join me as we explore everything you need to know before starting your carpet removal journey. Before diving into the numbers, let's discuss the factors that influence carpet removal cost. First and foremost, the size of the area to be cleared plays a significant role. Larger spaces will naturally incur higher costs due to increased labor and disposal fees. Additionally, the type of carpet and its condition can impact the difficulty of removal, thus affecting the overall cost. When it comes to pricing, carpet removal services may charge based on different structures. Some companies charge per square foot, while others have flat rates for specific room sizes. It's essential to clarify the pricing structure upfront to avoid any surprises down the line. At Limpier Cleaning Services, we believe in transparent pricing, ensuring that our customers know exactly what to expect. In addition to the basic removal fee, there may be additional costs to consider. For example, if your carpets contain asbestos or require specialized equipment for removal, this can drive up the cost. Similarly, factors such as furniture removal and disposal fees should be factored into your budget. By planning ahead and discussing these details with your service provider, you can avoid any unexpected expenses. When selecting a carpet removal service, it's crucial to consider more than just the cost. Look for a reputable company with a track record of excellence and satisfied customers. At Limpier Cleaning Services, we pride ourselves on delivering superior service at competitive prices. With our experienced team and commitment to customer satisfaction, you can trust us to handle your carpet removal with care and professionalism. If you're ready to transform your space and say goodbye to old carpets, contact us today for a consultation. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning!